Hey, it's a lazy Sunday. I've got 3 chicken sausage. And this was my yogurt and cottage cheese. Evidently, it was still partially frozen. I'm trying to chop it up a little bit, but it's kind of got a gelato type texture right now. But, you know, I'll eat it. That's okay. Trying to see if I can get a good angle so you can hear the crunching. I haven't been able to mix in the flavoring very well yet, but anyway. So yeah, I guess if you're a texture person, don't freeze your yogurt and cottage cheese. But I'm gonna eat that, and that'll be my breakfast for Sunday. Hello. So for lunch, I've got some ground beef. That's 6 ounces. I'm going to finish off the rouse that I've got here. It's not much on it, but I'll finish it off. Then I'm going to put a wedge of Laughing Cow cheese. This flavor is, does it say on here? I think this is white cheddar. I don't remember. I'll look in a minute. I forgot. I'll put this together. I'll put my seasonings on it when it's done. So now I'm going to warm it up. And I'll show you the seasonings I use. A coworker gave me some cucumbers this week. Well, a cucumber and a oh my gosh, zucchini. Sorry. So I'm gonna cut this up, and I'm gonna have me some cucumber pieces. Let me see how much the weight is, so I know what to plug into chronometer. $217. So let me plug that into chronometer right quick. Saw a video once that said where they put tahini on the cucumber. Yeah, it's good. I'm gonna put some tahini in here. And a little bit of salt. I have a lot of salt. So then I have the cucumbers. Yep, and then let me stir this up. The cheese wedge, I think it's either Asiago or white cheddar, but I think it's Asiago. I'm really sleepy today. No idea why. So I'm going to heat up some water and have me a little glass of tea. I even took a nap. I'm going to put some Dano's Original. Our Walmart sells Dano's now. Maybe they always did. I don't know. I'm going to put some of that umami seasoning with mushroom and onions on it. And a little bit of the garlic salt. Now let's take a taste before we get too carried away and add anything else. A little more garlic salt, I think. And some salt. That should be just right. Let's see. Yep, that's good. So there's my lunch today. Happy Sunday. Hey there, so supper tonight, it's those pork bars that I made up the other day. I'm going to get a fork. I'm going to break them up just a little bit. There we go. I already took a bite of one. It was good. I'm going to add 1 serving of my sweet and spicy G. Hughes barbecue sauce. It's 10 calories and 2 carbs in 2 tablespoons, which is 30 grams. So, hey, something I did not record. I didn't really think much about it. Hang on, I can't think and talk at the same time. Okay. I took a tablespoon of heavy cream and then a couple squirts. Here, wait, let me just show you so you can see. I took some of this Mineragua water. It's sparkling water, just like the all the other different ones. This one just has no flavor to it. So I added a couple squirts of grape, and I added some 1 tablespoon of heavy cream. So when it was done, it tasted like a grape float. When I was a little kid, I'd go to my grandma's and she'd have grape soda ice cream. And she would take grape soda and put a scoop of ice cream in it, and that's what we would have in the evening time. I just wanted something kind of fun earlier, and so that's what I had. So now, this is those pork bars I made last week. And what I'm going to do is just stab it. I'm going to stab a piece. And then just kind of, oh, how? That's hot. But yeah, that's going to be my supper. And yeah, that's Sunday. So have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow.